Hi guys, today I just came across some new platform that is called Paraswap. So what Paraswap does, it's a digital currency wallet which supports your digital currency quantitative trading. Okay, so that is what Paraswap does. Okay, it was founded around 2019, and the main focus of Paraswap is on blockchain, then cryptocurrency, then quantitative trading and financial services. So these are the main focus of Paraswap. That what they do, they concentrate on blockchain, cryptocurrencies and quantitative trading and financial services. That's what they do exactly. And the major part, I'll just come to that. So Paraswap digital currency wallet. Okay, so what, how it works, the workflow. So the workflow is that the wallet supports transaction and transfer of more than 100 mainstream currencies in the world, such as USDT, BTC, then ETH, that is Ethereum, LTC, then Doge, DOT, and etc. So this is the the wallet which supports, and you can just say that more than 100 mainstream currencies it supports. Okay, Paraswap in your digital currency wallet. And how to get how this platform works for a normal person. Okay, so if you don't know anything about the trading and how to go ahead. So this is just a flow of there's one flow. That's the real-time monitoring is there, price fluctuation or major exchanges, then BTC, Ethereum, Doge on different DXS, then quickly buy and sell to generate profit, then stable income, monthly income to 10 to 30%. So that is major point, that it gives a stable income of monthly to 10 to 30%. So how it works, okay, that's what very important to watch out. How it works. See, so profit cycle with Paraswap and quantitative trading bot, you can say. So it is a trading bot. So if you are investing amount of 10,000 USDT, okay, your investment is of 10,000 USDT. So the day one, if you are just opting for day one, I'll just show the platform also after that. So if you are opting for day one, that means you are getting 30%. That means around 3,000 USDT. And if you are just opting for 15 days, that means you are putting $10,000 for 15 days in this robot, robot trading, you can say. So you can just see that you are getting around 4,500 USD. And if the same thing goes with day 30, so you can go with 6,000 USDT. So like that, 45 days, 60 days. And this is their platform, okay, over here. So the platform, you can just say that, day 1, day 2, 15. So here you can just find out there is Ethers. You can just see that. See, so there is Ethers. There is Bitcoin. There is Unicorn token. There is BNB. So it's up to you, whatever you think, it's going to go. And there is an Ethereum over here. There is a Dogecoin over here. There's a Tron. So this is what the platform tells you. So it's up to you whether you want to just go with, whatever you like maybe. If you want to go with Bitcoin, the percentage will go down. So Ethers gives good. You can just see that it's coming around 18% and then 49%. So that is what the combination, what you can see over here. Okay. So that's the app where you can just take a trade. So this is a cycle, how it works. And the more over that, okay, once you just go with the Paraswap quantitative trading bot, the more over you can just see that digital asset, that the digital asset, that is very important. So if you're starting for a 1 month, your investment is around, you can say 1,000 USDT, okay, $1,000. So what, see, you are getting a profit of 30% profit. That is around 300 income. Your asset is 1,300. The second month, the principal is 1,300 with 30% profit, 390 income. So like that, it will go on compounding, and at the end of maybe around 6 months or 12 months, your $10,000 will be like you can say it can go to double. Okay, it can go double, or it can maybe you will not lose anything. That's the logic over here. So that is what the digital asset that comes into the picture, and will just take you far away. So just for introduction for that Paraswap, Paraswap. And the future, I'm just coming up with some new videos. Okay, that will just see it in a in a very detailed manner, how it goes on executions and all. So that's all for today's guys. Take care.